Hey, so you're trying to grow your outreach. You're trying to get more phones in. And one of the most popular ways right now with all the socials, TikTok, YouTube, and even Facebook is affiliate marketing. So an affiliate could be your friends, your family, or you could do paid outreach with influencers. Or if you know influencers, you could just give them a tag. And we pretty much give each affiliate their own website. So we make affiliate marketing really easy with our tool, our buyback program. So check this out. You can go to the back end and see affiliate marketing on your tags already when you go to your admin panel. And once an affiliate signs up, I'm going to show you how it looks on our page. You can customize it to look a little bit different. Once they sign up here, they can name their shop name and they'll be able to get their own little mini site, which will send offers directly to your order panel, your order management panel. And let's see how those mini sites look. All right, so we see here that um, with your influencer or your affiliate, that they can click through and get an offer for their phone, and it's going to be sent directly to the order panel. We make it quick and easy. And once they fill out this form, it goes directly to your website. So that's just a little bit more about the affiliate marketing and how you can integrate it into your flow. And it's already there for you to do. So you just have to go ahead and get people signing up. And that's affiliate marketing.